Hey everyone, for this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a list right here into a paragraph, and also vice versa, a paragraph into a list, all within ChatGPT Canvas using this specific tool and method. Let's get started. Okay, so first up I'm going to show you is converting a list into a paragraph. So start by highlighting a full list, whether it's bullet points, numbered, or just short lines of text. So like this one right here, for example, once you highlight it, you'll see the ChatGPT, I mean, this option that appears right here on the left. Just click this. Once you do so, it turns into a prompt input box that says edit or explain. Now you can type in like a specific request. For example, like this one. Can you turn this list into a smooth, well-structured paragraph? All right, then hit send. You can press enter or click the send button right here. And once you do so, ChatGPT will then merge those points into a clean, readable paragraph right here. See? Look at that. Perfect for those essays right here or reports like that. Let me show you the changes right here. See? This is previously a bullet list, and now it turns into a single clean paragraph right over here. All right, now let's go the other way around, turning a paragraph into a list. Okay, so why don't we go down here and let's say we could go with the conclusion. Just for instance, just highlight the paragraph right here. Okay? And once you do, ask ChatGPT. Yep. Again, your text will be an editable prompt field again. And then type in your request. This time with this. Can you break this paragraph into a clear bullet point list for easier reading? And once you do, hit send. Either click this or press enter. Boom. Again, it will automatically generate you with the proper readable list. There we go. And yes, this will easily reformat your paragraph into clean, organized points, making it easier to scan or present. So yeah, overall, whether you're simplifying or expanding, this is like the fastest way to make your writing more readable or versatile with just one tool or method. So yeah, if you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get you notified whenever we post a new video. And also, smash that like button. That will help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. And that is all, folks. Thanks for watching this video. And once again, I hope you find this helpful. So, see you all next time. Bye.